Yeah, so welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so let's talk a little bit of something. Yeah, so it's Ben once again, Investor Ben, and forever when it comes to Crypto Digest. Yeah, so today I just want to do a recap on some things and add some structures you need to know, right? Yeah, so it's more of like a recap, having some swing highs and swing lows explanation. Swing highs, okay. Let me leave it as recap why I speak. Yeah, but know that the recap is basically on swing highs and swing low and a touch of BOS matter, right? Yeah, so just like how we treated basics, if you look at the basics, I took my time not to rush anyone. I did it in a way that every one of you we have to understand the basics, right? From the very candlestick till the moment we finished basic technical analysis. And that is the same way I've been treating the advanced. I don't want to today I host a BOS for you guys. The next day I host a change of character section. Like I keep jumping because we are not running anywhere, right? Yeah. So this is why I didn't want to make this a crash course. So basically, you have me here, you have all the time to use and practice very well. Yeah, so that anything you are learning will be part of you. It won't be something that at the end of the day you get to forget because the learning process we are in a hurry, right? Yeah, so we aren't rushing and you will learn it in a process. In the end of the day, right? Yeah, so you get to understand everything. So let's quickly go back to the chat and show something. Yeah, good evening once again. And perhaps we'll be having another section this night. Yeah, so let me get something on the chat for you guys. Muting this right here. So something on the chat for you guys, Investor Ben. So I like the structure of RVN. I like the structure so very well. Yeah, so let's look at something. Let's look at something. Swing highs and swing low, right here. So okay, let's use this to make our examples. Swing highs and lows, right here. So when it comes to swing, right here, it's more of like using major structures to determine price levels, right here. So here at this point, we had our swing low, right? We had our swing low at this point, and at this point also, right? Here is our swing high. And before this thing became our swing high, right? Let's say before here happened, okay, before this night, I will get the premium trading view so that anything we are going to be treating this night, it will be more professional. Yeah, so this is your swing high, your swing low, right? Yeah, so and after this swing high and swing low was created, right, we had another swing high. You call them a swing high when we've breaking structure. As we've broken this structure, as we've taken that structure, here becomes a swing high. But if we haven't breaking structure, right, here remains just a high that you don't know if this high will sell from here, right? That you don't know if this high post record. Yeah, I post the recording. So let's continue. So you don't know if this high will sell from this point, right? You don't know if this high will sell from this point because we haven't broken structure. So as far as we've taken this high out, here becomes your swing high, right? And here becomes your newly formed swing low, right? Same thing happens. Here becomes your swing low and here becomes your swing high, right? Here is your swing low. And as we've taken the structure out, look at where we took out the structure from this point right here. So as we take that structure out, we had our new formed swing highs and lows. Our new formed swing highs and lows. Here becomes your swing this thing, your swing low, your swing high, your swing low, your newly formed swing low right here. So here becomes your swing high as we've taken this structure out right here. So as we've taken that structure out, here becomes your swing low, your swing high, sorry. So you have a swing high here, sorry, a swing low here, a swing high, a swing low, right? Here will be your swing low at this point, sorry, your swing low at this point, and we had a swing high. And if you're looking at all these things I'm doing, they still boil down to understanding higher highs and higher lows. That is why I didn't want to make it I didn't want to rush into swing high and swing lows now. Now, without you knowing what a swing high and swing low is, you should even be able to tell that this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But then swing highs are major structures, like more of like knowing that we are in an uptrend, price maintaining higher time frame structures. Yeah, so but everything now, if I'm to look at these things I've marked, everything boils down to knowing your higher high, right? Your higher low for an uptrend, and knowing your lower high and your lower low for a downtrend, and knowing your BOS, your break of market structure. So you could see that everything boils down to these things, right? Yeah, if you are to observe well, right? Yeah, so everything boils down to these things. Yeah, so it's not something I want to take much time on because we have a class tonight. We have a class tonight on shift of market structure by 9 p.m. as usual. Yeah, so we have a class on shift of market structure, same as this one right here. You have your low. As we broke the structure, this becomes your swing. Okay, here now we try. Okay, let's don't look at minor structure because if you're looking at minor structure, this is a retracement. Remember, this is a retracement, right? This is a retracement before the impulsive move to the upside, right? If you can recall expansion and retracement, this is expansion in an uptrend. This is your expansion, right? Your retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. So the expansions are usually impulsive move on the chart. Hope you are not bothered by how dirty the chart is because I'm trying to explain something to you guys. Yeah, so the expansions are usually price impulsive movements, right? Yeah, so yeah, I'll be making this very short, and you guys should get ready for tonight's class. Yeah, because I'll be all available. Yeah, so let's mark it. Let's stop here for today and wait for tonight's class on shift of market structure, right? SMS, shift of market structure. Yeah, so and that is it for it. And if you look at these things, we see our break of market structures, a BOS. I've did it in a way that you guys will understand now. We had our break of market structures and we are in an uptrend. Yeah, so this is it for it. And I'm glad that you guys are learning fast. Like you guys are picking up things. It's raining here, so you guys are doing good. Yeah, so try to do your assignments. Everything we've been learning here, it's worth every dime. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. Take care and wait for tonight's class, 9 p.m. as usual, Zoom. Yeah, let's keep it going. Ending.